Hello you again. Okay, today we want to learn Indonesian again, and this is the second installment of learning Indonesian the series in my channel. So make sure that you have already watched my first video learning about the alphabets in Indonesian. So if you are not yet watch it, you have to watch that first before continuing to this lesson. Okay, this lesson is about how to read. After we know about the alphabets, the next thing we do is try to read as many as Indonesian that you probably encountered. So here I make some words. I think this is actually a timetable, but I use for this purpose, so I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, let's we read it. If you can read a lot as loud as you can, because the learning process is the learning process. I mean, so the first, I want to take this. Okay, the first word is Senin. 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 So you not read this word like C9. It's not C9. This is not C9, but Senin. I is E and E is E. So Senin. Senin means Monday. Then after that, Salasa, Selasa. Okay, it's easy, right? Selasa. It's not Silese. It's not that. Selasa. A must be A. It's not A but A. Selasa. You must open your mouth as wide as you can to pronounce A. Selasa. Okay, it means Tuesday. And then the third word, Rabu. So the R must be in the R position, maybe sound as R, the rolling R. So ra. It's like the Spanish R, so it must be very clear that you pronounce R. So Rabu. It means Wednesday. Next is Kamis. Kamis is Thursday. So Kamis, it must be Kamis. Okay, easy, right? Next thing is, notice that there is an apostrophe in between M and A, so you read it separately. So Jumat. If there is no apostrophe, you can read it Jumat. But since there is an apostrophe in there, so you read as Jumat. So you read it separately. The next is Sabtu. So Sabtu. It's not P. It's not Sabtu, but Sabtu. Okay. Sabtu means Saturday and Jumat means Friday. Okay, so that is all. The first row is the name of the day in the week, except Sunday. Where is Sunday? Okay, the next thing, the second row is a common verb and common adjective. So this one is makan. Makan, it means eat. The second word is minum. It means to drink. Minum, to drink. So makan dan minum, eat and drink. Okay. Next is pergi. Pergi. Must be rolling, ya. So pergi. Pergi is go. Takut is fear. This one is an adjective. Senang. Okay, the NG form. This one. The NG form is so like for ing, so this is like senang if it is in the end of the word, so it becomes senang. Okay. Sedih is sad. This one is happy, and sedih means sad. Okay. And then this one is harap. So the H is pronounced clearly. It's not it has a sound, so some languages doesn't pronounce H like H. So harap, it means hope. Okay, this one is the NG form. The NG form is creates sound, sound. So if in the middle, like this, it becomes nging. So we pronounce this word ingin. So ingin. It's not ingin. But you can, for the first time, you can exercise your mouth with ingin. So it becomes ingin. And then angin, it becomes angin. So ingin means want, and angin means wind. So it's a different. Angin. This one is minggu. It means Sunday. So minggu, if we mention all of the names of the day, it starts with minggu, Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat, Sabtu. Okay. thing is the diphthong. The diphthong is a combination of two vowels. So in some languages, the combination of two vowels becomes a new sound, but in Indonesian there is no new sound. Uh, uh, it's just a combination of the two vowels itself. So au it's ya, au, ao becomes ow, e it's become a, oi it becomes oi. Okay, so this one is house, it means thirsty, house. And then this one is hey, it's not high. For German, read this word high, so in Indonesian it's not high but hey. And then amboy, and French people pronounce ambois, but it's not ambois, it's amboy, oi. So there is no new sounds, it's just combination of two vowels read separately in the same time. So house, hey, and amboy. Okay, the next thing is the combination of ny. The combination of ny, it's become ny, it becomes it's become this one, and with something in above. So ña, if you learn Spanish, it's already there. Ña. So it becomes ña. So this one is punya, and y is becoming this letter punya, and then hanya, it means just. This one it means have, and then this one is nyanyi, it means to sing, nyanyi. Okay, so this R letter is just to make your mouth in the custom of spelling R, Indonesian R. So make sure that your tongue is rolling, so the R sound is clearly pronounced. Okay, bakar, it means burn, bakar, and that is the last thing is horror. Okay, it means horror. So that is the exercise in reading Indonesian words. So I think it's somewhat easy to pronounce Indonesian word. Just for the native English speaker, it must be very challenging because the vowel sounds is quite different. So that is the challenge for the foreigner, because sometimes it's harder to pronounce the vowels, and even the ng combination, it's also very difficult to some foreigners. So make sure you learn that, and you try to spell out the Indonesian stuff that you encountered. For example, you can read Indonesian newspaper by browsing online, and you can also do research on whatsoever you want and try to pronounce every word so you are in the custom of spelling and pronouncing that word. Okay, that is the second language of learning Indonesian. See you in the next episode. Okay.